Hi everyone, Keyless Entry here. Today I'm just doing an entry into Monkey Lockpicks 300 sub giveaway. Awesome milestone, mate. Big congrats. Last time I checked, you were 363. So you were, yeah, I think you'd been at 400 in no time, mate. But so today I don't own a pair of handcuffs. I did, but they went missing somewhere, I don't know. So I got my missus to tie me up with this rubber sort of stuff. I don't know where it came from, but I said tie me up and she did a pretty good job of it. So I think that's about handcuff length away, I'm not too sure. Yeah, so here we go. So I'm gonna try to pick this Yale here, this 38mm Yale, which I picked on video 125, and this one contains serrated keep-ins, one standard driver and 4 spools, and that's your bitting there. So in-hand picking, which I don't like, I'll have to do it, but there you go. So oh wow, this is really actually not very comfortable at all. Alright, so alright, I think I've got tensioner in there. Yeah, so you can see the play in the core there, which shows that it's got spools or something in there. I'm not sure if we need to gut the lock or not, but I think you'll see by the picking and that it'll go into false sets and all that sort of thing. So alright, let's get all this stuff out of the way. I'll need that, don't need that. And let's get, oh my gosh. Oh wow, this is really, really uncomfortable. Okay, I'm wrestling here. Oh wow. Oh, what have you done? Okay, so I'm trying to make this into a quick video, but my hands are sweating already. It's slippery in my hand already. Okay, so tension and stay in frame. Okay, one is binding, so I'm just going to let go a bit of tension. Actually, I might do it this way because I can't see what I'm doing. Okay, I think I just, no, I slipped off one. Okay, I think I just set one then. But the keep-in didn't drop down, so I must have overset it. There we go. So one is set. That was a standard, I think. Okay, now I'm under 2. 2 just moved, but okay, got a bit of movement on the core. 3. I might have overset it. I'm not sure. There's a binder there. Let's start that again. I'm so sorry. I've never done this before, so this is really strange for me. I don't think I had enough tension on the lock. Alright, so let's go again. 1. Go tension. Okay, I think I just slipped off one again. Keep-in didn't drop down again. Okay, now I felt some movement and keep-in one has dropped. Alright, so now the spools. Okay, there's 2. Counter on 2, some core movement. Let's go from the back. I've lost my bearings already. Feels like 5 is binding. Just letting off tension. Counter 5, more movement. That feels like 4. Counter and more movement. 3. Okay, 3 is definitely giving me counter here. Oh, more movement, so I'm in a deep false set now. So something's holding me up here. I wonder if it's 2, because 2 does feel very, very low. 2. 3 there. Okay, 3's giving me counter still. Might not have said it properly. Oh, 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 oh. Okay, I think we got an open there, guys. See that? Alrighty. Alrighty, got that one picked. Yeah, so that, if you need to see the internals, go back to video 125. I think you guys saw all the false sets there. That's the key. Wow. And I can't get extra points because these aren't handcuffed. They're just tied up like in knots. So anyway, once again, Monkey Lockpicks, congrats, mate. 300 subs, 363 at the moment. On the way to 400, mate. So yeah, okay, that's all I've got for you today, guys. Good luck to all, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.